Today, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding Samsung's One UI 7.0 beta program, an update that's got everyone buzzing with excitement. If you're as curious as we are about what Samsung has in store for us this holiday season, stay tuned. This video is packed with everything you need to know. Samsung's One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, is rumored to be launching its beta program sooner than we expected. There's been a flurry of leaks lately, with sources hinting at two possible rollout timelines. The most recent rumors suggest that the beta could debut a week before Christmas, but earlier leaks claimed we'd see it in the first week of December for the Galaxy S24 series. So, which timeline is more likely? While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything, we know that their beta releases often keep us guessing until the last minute. Either way, it's clear Samsung fans are in for a treat as we approach the year's end. As with most Samsung beta programs, the initial rollout is expected to target three major markets. 1. United States. 2. South Korea. 3. Germany. These regions often serve as Samsung's testing grounds, so users in these countries will likely get the first taste of One UI 7.0. But what about the rest of the world? A second phase rollout is anticipated for countries like India, Poland, the UK, and China. If history is any guide, a second wave may extend into early 2025. This means Galaxy users outside the initial regions will need to be patient. If you're holding onto a Galaxy S23 or another flagship model, don't worry, you haven't been forgotten. Samsung has a solid reputation for supporting its flagship lineup with timely updates. However, users of older devices might need to wait until the second phase begins. The wait may feel long, but the payoff is worth it. Samsung always ensures its updates are polished and ready for widespread use. The biggest buzz around One UI 7.0 is the rumored debut of Galaxy AI, a feature designed to simplify your digital life. Imagine having all your notifications summarized in one click. No more endless scrolling through cluttered alerts. This smart feature is expected to give users a more streamlined, efficient experience, letting you focus on what truly matters. Another rumored enhancement is improved customization options, letting you tailor your device's interface even further. From widgets to themes, One UI 7.0 might just be Samsung's most user-focused update yet. One important thing to remember, Samsung's timelines for better rollouts are rarely set in stone. Updates are released only when Samsung is confident they're ready for users. While leaks provide helpful hints, take them with a grain of salt. The anticipation and speculation, however, are all part of the fun. Before we wrap things up, here's something exciting for our loyal viewers. If you love staying ahead of the curve with Samsung updates and leaks, consider joining our exclusive membership program. By becoming a member, you'll gain early access to content, behind-the-scenes insights, exclusive tips, and deep dives into Samsung features. Click the link in the description below to learn more and join our growing tech-savvy community. Whether the One UI 7.0 beta rolls out in early December or closer to Christmas, one thing's for sure, Samsung fans are in for an exciting end to the year. This update promises to elevate the Galaxy experience with smart features and improved performance. If you're as thrilled as we are, let us know in the comments which feature you were most excited about. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, stay tech savvy.